Large and complex projects may take a long time to load. It's when you need to use a preloader to tell your viewers to wait. You can get access to the preloader to customize it the way you want, through the Export tab. Select Player Settings, and navigate to the Preloader tab. Here, the loading indicator has 6 editable properties. To change a value, just drag the handle on the slider, click up arrow, or down arrow, or enter a new value. You are free to change its shape, density, speed, and even color. All the changes are reflected immediately in the preview window. If you want to reset the changes, just click Restore Defaults. Lastly, click OK to apply. Let's see the real view. That's it.